Welcome to our channel. Enter Cascade Precision Sheet Metal and begin your journey into the finer details of custom sheet metal fabrication. At the beginning of the project, our professional design team deeply analyzes the needs, uses advanced CAD CAM software, accurately draws three-dimensional models, and tailors drawings for each project. Subsequently, the raw materials are strictly screened to ensure that the materials are pure and the performance meets the standards. In the processing workshop, high-power laser cutting machines cut metal sheets with micron-level precision, and even complex patterns can be completed in one go. CNC vending machines bend sheets into predetermined angles based on precise programming, with errors controlled within a very small range. The automated punching machine can punch and form holes efficiently, laying a solid foundation for subsequent processes. During the welding process, experienced welders skillfully operate MIG and TIG welding equipment, and the welds are even and beautiful. Robot welding ensures the consistency of mass production. Choose Cascade Precision Sheet Metal and let fine craftsmanship and precise delivery safeguard your project. Thanks for watching.